Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone plan allows tethering and that you have enough data. This prevents surprise throttling or extra charges. Next, enable mobile hotspot in your phone settings. Choose the appropriate band 4 GHz for compatibility or 5 GHz for speed, and create a secure password. Once done, write down the hotspot SSID and password exactly as shown. Make sure your phone is on a charger to avoid shutdown, because TVs use constant connections and draining battery will interrupt streaming. You now move to the TV. Open network or Wi-Fi settings and scan for the hotspot SSID you just created. Select it and carefully enter the password. Small typos are a common failure point, so double-check capitals and symbols. Once connected, verify the TV receives an IP address and has internet access by loading a short clip or app home screen. If streaming, lower video quality and app settings to reduce data use, and close background apps on the TV to prioritize the hotspot bandwidth. You finish by locking in practical settings. Set hotspot timeout to a longer interval or never, and keep an eye on data usage to avoid caps. If the TV fails to connect, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then re-enter credentials. This often clears authentication glitches. If problems persist, restart both devices, switch frequency bands between 2, 4 and 5 GHz, or try USB or Bluetooth tethering for a more stable link. Remember, restarting and band changes solve most interference and IP issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.